Challenges of rocket launch in Portugal. Portugal is making strides in space innovation, but launching rockets from its territory presents key challenges. First, mainland Portugal is densely populated with limited space for safe rocket launches. Overflying populated areas or busy European airspace create safety and regulatory concerns. To overcome this, Portugal is focusing on Santa Maria Island in the Azores. Its remote Atlantic location offers safer launch paths over the ocean. However, that comes with logistical challenges. Transporting rocket, infrastructure, and staff to a small island increases cost and complexity. Weather is another concern. The Azores are known for unpredictable conditions, including wind and sudden storms, which can delay launches and limit reliability. Portugal also lacks a fully operational spaceport. The planned Atlantic launch site is still under development, and building modern launch infrastructure takes time, investment, and international cooperation. Then, there is a legal and environmental side. Portugal is working on regulations to support commercial launches while protecting the sensitive ecosystems of the Azores. Lastly, global competition is tough. Countries like the UK, Norway, and France are also building launch capabilities. Portugal must offer something unique, like reliable access to sun-synchronous orbit from the mid-Atlantic. Despite the challenges, Portugal is steadily working to become a niche launch hub, one mission at a time. Thanks for watching.